Hello and welcome back to the channel. Creating Counter-Strike eSports jersey mock-up designs no longer requires Photoshop. A fully customized Counter-Strike eSports jersey mock-up can be created for free using Gemini. The process begins by opening Tools, selecting Create Image with the Pro version, and uploading a plain t-shirt with a prompt to generate the print pattern. Within seconds, the printed jersey design is ready. The same steps are then used to add the brand logo, hero artwork, player name and number, and the final background presentation. Once everything is complete, the Counter-Strike eSports jersey mock-up is match ready. All the prompts used are available for free at the end.